What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your boy, Bitcoin Rodney, coming to you guys straight from the basement. Guys, get excited, stay safe, stay home. Hope all is well with this temporary situation we're going through right now. I think that it'll all be over soon. If not soon, then later. We got to deal with it. But in the meantime and in between time, let's learn a few tricks that can increase our income while we're at home. Learn a few extra skills, a few new tricks, and that's what I'm here today to show you. Is one of these tricks I learned some time ago. So a lot of you guys are millennials. I am not one. So a lot of times I don't always have my cell phone in my hand. A lot of times I'm working from my PC. But when I am holding my phone in my hand, I'm either in the bed, in the car, out the park, fishing, or wherever. Then I'm on my phone. But what if you're just at home like you are right now and you need a better work platform? And I like to work from my PC because I can get a lot done. I can see bigger things. I can upload photos. And I learned a new trick that I'm going to teach you guys a while back though. How to upload photos, text, messaging, videos, back and forth with messaging directly from your PC on Instagram. So a lot of you guys probably don't know that you can do a lot of that straight from your PC. A lot of you guys don't know that, but I'm sure a very slight few do. And let me get this straight. I am not a techie person. I am not. I make it look like I am, but I'm not. But I do learn a few tricks here and there to make me look pretty good when I'm doing some of my marketing. All right. So I'm gonna teach you a few things that I have learned. And guess what? I'm not going to even charge you for this actual little trick, but it will help you be a lot more efficient when you are working on Instagram from your PC or laptop. So here we go. Let me first go to my Instagram page. Hopefully there's nothing on there foul today. Let's see. Here we go. So here we are. You're gonna go to your Instagram page, right? And first thing you're gonna do when you get to your Instagram page from your PC or your laptop is you're gonna find a clear space and you're gonna right click on your mouse. Okay, right click. And as you can see here, and then when you right click, you're gonna click the inspect button. There's an inspect button at the very, very, very bottom of the right click. You click the inspect button, you're gonna get all this jarble. Let me move this out the way. You're gonna get all this jarble. Don't worry about all this stuff. It's nothing to do with you. You're gonna go to the very top and you're gonna click on this picture-in-picture button. Whatever they call this button, I don't know, but it looks like a picture-in-picture button. Click that button one time. All right? When you click that button, your screen is gonna change a little bit. You're gonna see these two double lines at the bottom. All right? But what you're gonna do is, once you've done that, you're gonna go over here to where it says refresh the page. Now watch these two little buttons too. Watch these two little buttons. You're gonna click refresh. Now you see this actual plus sign right here. Once you see the plus sign, sometimes you gotta go click refresh, then click this again, and click refresh again, and then the actual plus button will show up. Once you see the plus button show up, right, and now you see your little mouse or your little cursor has changed, all right? Now once you do that, now you can send pictures, upload content, you can do all kinds of crazy things on your Instagram, right? Let's see. Oh my goodness, look at this crazy guy right here. All kind of crazy stuff online, right? So let me show you how this works. So let's say I want to upload a photo on my Instagram. I click the plus button and it gives me, I go to my pictures or documents. Let's see where I can find something to upload right quick. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I'll just pick this picture right here. All right, so I'm gonna pick this picture right here. I'm clicking that, and I'm gonna open the file, and bam. All right, there we go. So once you do this, you can resize it. There's a button here to resize it, make it smaller or bigger for your Instagram. And all you gotta do is click like you normally do on Instagram on your phone. Click next, type in a caption, add your location if you want to, tag some people, click share. I'm just gonna do this as a test. Clicking share. There you go. and it's starting to share. Once it's done, you'll be able to go back and re-see it on your computer or on your phone. And this post did not upload, probably because it's too big. But normally that is exactly how it works. Let me find a picture that does work. That picture might have been too big. I did not resize it. So let me try this one right here. This is me wearing my mask. Let's go here. And you can scroll down. There I am with my crazy mask on. And you have filters right here. You can edit it right here. And let's click next and see what happens. And it's gonna, I'm not gonna write a caption or anything like that, because I am just doing this for the sake of showing you guys how it works. So click share. And now it's starting to share to your Instagram. Give it a second or two. Here goes the first one that said it did not post, but it did post right there. And there's my other one that just now posted. So here are two Instagram photos that just posted right onto my Instagram straight from my computer. All right. And you can even send messages back and forth to people over here, direct messages, back and forth, video links, or whatever you want to do. You can go here and type in messages to people. So there's lots of things you guys can do straight from your computer, straight from Instagram, right here by using this little thingamajigger right here. I don't know what they call that, but it definitely works. So hope that's just a quick little video showing you guys how to use your PC with Instagram. If that works, if you liked what I just showed you guys, let me know. Peace out.